Hi, you've made it to the third part of our EBSCOhost database tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to find, copy and paste the citation for your sources, how to highlight within the article, and how to print. To find, copy, and paste the citation for your sources, go into your recently created folder. Click on Save as File, deselect the HTML hyperlinks. Select the citation style of your choosing and click Save. Now just select, copy, and paste the citations into a Word document. Format it and organize alphabetically based on the Chicago Terrarium formatting style, and you are done! To highlight the article, download it as a PDF into your computer. Open the article in PDF and highlight the areas within the document you want to revisit, and click the Save button. The highlights will be saved into your PDF document. If you still feel that you prefer to read a printed version of the source, click on the print icon. The article will be printed with the highlighted areas, but only if you have a color printer available. I hope this information will help you in organizing your research so that you can focus on what is most important, which is learning the information you need to be successful in your academic journey.